Okay, good morning my dear. Today day 18 part 1 and chapter is pair of linear equation in two variable. If you have any linear pair of linear equation in two variable and it is asked in the question, solve the geometrically. Clear? Suppose you have a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. It is the pair of linear equation in two variable and you can solve it geometrically. That means first of all what you can do, you can check what is the a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. It means you know that there are three relation. One is the a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Clear? Then lines are intersect. Lines are intersect because some students have the problem how we can use so is the lines are not intersect. Then first of all you can check what is the coefficient of the variable, what is the ratio of the coefficient of the variable. In the same way, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. In this case, lines are coincide with each other, or you say it is the coincident line. Both lines are covered with each other perfectly. And the third case, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, in this case lines are parallel. Then suppose you have a question of linear equation in pair of linear equation in two variable, then first and it is asked in the question, solve the geometrically or what is the solution of this linear equation in two variable with geometrically. Then first of all you can check like this which condition are satisfied. Clear? And then after you can, if it is the geometrically, then you can draw the with, it means you can solve this question with the help of graph. Clear? Suppose if it is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then it may be possible lines are intersect like this way. Clear? Suppose it is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and this is the a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. It is suppose it is the graph of this linear equation and you want to graphically, then where the line are intersect, this point is the value of x and y. Clear? And you already know how you can find the coordinate of this point. Clear? You in the class 9th you know that what we can do, we can draw a line from this point on x axis and where it is intersect by x axis is the point of the value of the x, and we can draw a perpendicular line which intersect y axis and it is x and y. Clear? Then by this way we can find the solution of linear equation in two variable with geometrically. In the same way, suppose the lines are not intersect. Suppose the lines are coincide. It means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Satisfied? Then the graph of the line like this way. Suppose it is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and another line which is lies on the same point, like this way, cover with each other perfectly, and here it is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. That means each and every value of x for the both line are same. Clear? It means the lines are coincide. Suppose if it is satisfied third condition, it means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. That means the lines are not intersect. It means the lines are parallel. It is the graph of the first equation, a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and it is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Clear? Now up to this we can discuss. Suppose if you have pair of linear equation in two variable or simultaneous linear equation in two variables, and you want to solve it geometrically or graphically, then first of all you check what is the conditions of the line with respect, with the help of their coefficient. It means with the help of coefficient of x and y and constant term like a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2. Here a1, b1 and c1 is the a1, b1 is the coefficient of x and y, and a2 and b2 is the also coefficient of x and y for the given linear equation. Clear? Then with the help of these condition, these cases, you can check what is the condition of the lines. Suppose in other way, it is asked about the question, find the solution of algebraically. Clear? Find the solution of simultaneous linear equation in two variable algebraically. Clear? Find the solution of pair of linear equation in two variable algebraically. It means you can find the value of x and y, clear, to solve the equation. For this you can, if you have a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Clear? And you want to find the value of x and y algebraically, it means without graph you can solve this equation, pair of linear equation in two variables. For this, what we can do? First of all, we check the condition. It means a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. This exists unique solution. Clear? And if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, that means infinite many solution. And third case is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Then in this case no solution. Clear? Then if you have pair of linear equation in two variable and you want to solve the algebraically, it means you can find the value of x and y. Then we have three methods. First one is the substitution method. Substitution method. Second, equating the coefficient. Equating the coefficient and eliminate the variable, or it is known as the elimination method. Elimination method. And third one is the cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. Clear? Then if you have a simultaneous linear equation in two variable and you want to solve algebraically, that means there are three methods. First one is the substitution method, it is already discussed. Second one is the elimination method. In elimination method, what we can do, we can equate the coefficient of x or y and then after eliminate x or y. And third one is the cross multiplication method. Today our topic is the elimination method or equating the coefficient suppose x 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, 3x plus 5y is equal to 7. Clear? It is the linear equation, pair of linear equation in two variable, and you want to find the value of x and y with the help of algebraically. Then you use the substitution method, it is already discussed. Here we can discuss with the elimination method. Elimination method. In the elimination method, eliminating the coefficient, eliminating the equate the coefficient, and then after eliminating the any variable. Suppose in this question you see here 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 and 3x plus 5y is equal to 7. You see in this case the coefficient of x and y in both the equation are not the equal, and if you want to solve it, then first of all we can write here 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 and 3x plus 5y is equal to 7. It is the equation 1 and it is the equation 2. Here we equate the coefficient either x or y. Then first of all we equate the coefficient x. Then if you want to equate, it means equating the coefficient of x, then here the 3 in the equation 2, the coefficient of x is 3, then this 3 multiply in equation 1, and in the equation first the coefficient of x is 2, then we multiply by 2 here. By this way, in the equation 1 you can multiply with 3 because we want to equate the coefficient of x, and in equation 2 we can multiply the coefficient of x in the equation 1. For this, if you can multiply it, then see 3 to the 6x plus 9y is equal to 18. It is equation 3. And if it is multiplied, 6x plus 10y and 2 7 are 14. And it is equation 4. Now we got equation 3 and 4. Here you can write multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Then after we got clear. And you know that if the like term and coefficients are equal, then we can subtract equation 3 minus equation 4. You know that in the algebraic subtraction, first of all we can change the sign. Then here it is plus sign, no sign are given, that means there is plus sign. Then it is minus, and here plus, that's why here minus, and plus it is minus. You know that if the sign are different and all the value are same, then they are cutted, it means 0. And here it is 9y and it is plus 9y minus 10y. Then subtract because the sign are different. 9 minus 10, 1, and 1 into y means y. And we put the greater number sign, then here minus. And 18 and 14 are subtract because the sign are different. And put the greater number sign, then 18 minus 14 is 4, and plus, then here y is equal to minus 4. Clear? Put this value y in any equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here you can write put y is equal to minus 4 in equation 2. Then see 3x plus 5 into 4 is equal to 7 minus 4 sorry. Then 3x minus into plus minus 20 is equal to 7. 3x, this number goes number side, then sign are changed, then 7 plus 20, 3x is equal to 27, x is equal to 27 by 3, it is 9, then x is equal to 9. It is the solution of linear equation in two variable with algebraically. And if you want to check your solution is correct or not, then see, check. What you can do, the value of x and y, put any one equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we can put x and y in equation 1. Then 2 into x 9 plus 3 into minus 4. Then see 2 9 is 18 plus into minus minus 3 4 is 12. 18 and 12 are subtract, then it is 6 and it is RHS. Then our solution is correct. Clear? By this way you can solve exercise 3.4. Clear? Because exercise 3.4 are related to the elimination method of linear equation in two variable, and you can solve example also. Okay, thank you.